to find an outback. Why? That is the question. Why?
Pub for the next 386 kilometers. Good to know.
Filling up over there, and here we have the little town of Windorah. Over there is the little pub. That's pretty much it. Cute Windorah, so cute. There you go. Charleville, 458 kilometers. Could be 248. Eromanga, 216. And then here you have the ones that we don't want to take. And our next stop is Bedourie, or maybe Bituta. This is where the pub is actually. Oh, so. Over there is the post office, and here we have the little fill station. One of the many camps along Cooper's Creek. Nice. You've chosen well, darling. It's a very nice spot, thank you. Another horrible spot. The bridge is nearby, but I think it's quite overnight. Maybe one or two cattle tracks. And yeah. Nice!
one side.
So we're going up to Windorah.
We are going up to Windorah. Did I say not near Winden earlier? No. Cooper's Creek near Windorah.
Windorah.
That's correct.
Yeah.
And yeah, we parked straight near the creek, overlooking the waters, and had a nice sunset and a nice sunrise. And you know, yeah, we're heading to the Red Dune, huh?
To the Red Dune?
The Red Sand Dune.
Look at front, there's clouds coming up.
Yeah.
We're expecting more rain, but we are heading west at the moment. But after Windorah, we're heading up northwest. Sorry.
We decided to skip Birdsville. We're not going to Birdsville this time because of all the 50,000 people who are at the Big Bash at the moment.
And we're leaving tomorrow, so
from tomorrow onwards, yeah. So we just skip Birdsville and we just go straight to Bedourie and then up north. We don't
I talked to some guys this morning. They came still up there. They're maybe waiting until all the people are leaving Birdsville. They said top up your fuel tank before they're lining up when they came back, because there's no fuel between Birdsville and Windorah.
Which is like nearly 400 kilometers.
Yeah. And they have to top up
the main reason why we said we are not going to Birdsville is because of the road conditions, the thousands of campers coming back from Birdsville, and they forecast rain. We don't want to get into any trouble with crowds and mud and maybe no fuel supplies and maybe whatever you can run into. We don't want that. We don't want any stress. So we keep that for next time. We have to come back to do Eromanga and Cameron Corner. Anyway, that has to wait for another time. It has to wait for another time. It waited for 15 years and it can wait another 10 years or so. So, off to Windorah to see the dune. Excited! And 392 or 388 and 92. Anyway, nearly 400 kilometers to the next fuel station. Doesn't matter where you go from here.
we have to fill up in.
We have to fill up in Birdsville, in Windorah. Now I'm starting to do it wrong. You're mixing up all the outback towns by now. We travel too much. Sent already. Oops. Okay, here we go. Outback beaches. $11 o'clock in the morning, and we are at the Sand Dune in Windorah. Simon is just getting the drone ready. From the car. What's wrong with you? Super windy again, so we hopefully don't have too much wind noise in the audio, but let's climb the Sand Dune.
really red. Red sand. You are a Casper again. Look at your nose, Danny. Look. What is that? What are you doing, Dudley? Road to Birdsville. And it's super soft sand.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you.
Got time on our side, we're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you